Dad. Dad.
And do you get the feeling when you hear the voice that there is a person there?
Yes.
Yeah. And do they tell
Hello
you
mga
much
boss,
about them?
mga master, welcome back. At eto na naman tayo, may bago tayong video na panonoorin at siguradong pag-uusapan nyo na naman dyan sa baba. Kaya umpisa na natin at matakot.
Иду домой. На часах пол-первого. Но я же хрупкая девушка. Я же такая беззащитная. Дойдет за ним. Не страшно, но на самом деле.
Yun, nagbago yung boses.
На самом деле я жду, чтобы ко мне кто-то подошел. Потому что бояться буду не я. Забудут меня. И моя жажда мести. Ведь этот город. Ну что, маньяки, вы готовы поиграть со мной?
Okay guys, sa tingin nyo totoo kaya to? Paki-comment naman dyan pag-usapan natin ulit, alright? So, pero sa akin, para sa akin itong video na to, malay natin baka biro-biro lang or o kaya baka, ewan lang baka LGBTQ ba yung tawag doon? Baka naano nila yung boses niya. O kaya baka malay nyo, ito pala si Venom, di ba? Alright, so next naman natin.
One of the most scariest videos ever today. I'm still a bit shaken. This is what my dad's camera caught of my reaction.
Ito medyo matagal na rin tong video na to. Siguro 1 year na rin to nung napanood ko to nung last ko napanood. Pero panoorin natin at nakakatakot din to. At samahan niyo ako sa kung anong tingin niyo sa video na to.
Dad? Dad? Oh my god. Dad? Dad!
Sakit sa tenga.
And this is what my camera caught of my dad.
Oh,
You roasting? What are you on about?
got a headache as well. A really bad one for me. Freezing. Oh, really chilly.
I'm roasting. What?
Yeah, head.
You alright? Dad? 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 Oh my god. Dad? Dad!
Grabe, no? Iba yung salita niya, pati yung sigaw niya ngayon. Pati nag-iba yung mukha niyan
What are you doing? What have you done that?
Headache.
Why have you just shouted that at me?
Shouted, stop shouting, I got a headache.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
I haven't shouted.
Yes, you have. You just shouted, get out.
Pero takot siya.
I haven't.
And your face looks so different.
It's gone now.
What are you doing? Why have you just done that?
I haven't done anything.
This things are all over the floor.
I didn't touch them.
Your face looks so different. What the did you just do?
I don't know. I just had a massive headache. That's all I remember. I had my head down and I
Wala siyang naalala sa ginawa niya, no? Basta sumakit yung ulo niya.
had a headache. And then you started screaming.
Why did you're gonna have to watch that back. You didn't
Yeah.
you didn't look yourself.
Ulitin natin doon, banda.
Just felt weird.
i-zoom
Felt a
in
bit
natin.
out of body at the
Oh my
moment.
god!
He frightened the death out of me when he felt like kind of woke me up, if you know what I mean. Oh.
Honestly, I was like, hello, hello, and then you just
I
screamed
don't
it
remember
out, and
any
then
of that.
that just fell off the table.
I remember you asking me if I was okay. That was it. And then you screamed.
God.
Wala siyang alam sa
I'm
ginawa niya.
myself right now.
Put your hand out. I can see him shaking from here. I got my glasses on. Well, I didn't mean to. Honestly, went really cold. Then I had like a splitting headache, like a migraine type thing. Like I felt ill, if you know what I mean, as well.
I feel sick now. You don't remember that at all?
No,
You
I
genuinely-
don't remember shouting. No, I remember you shouting. We probably better stop doing it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch it back. I'll be on that camera.
Ano kaya sinabi niya dyan nung review niya na yung video, no?
Oh God. Dad.
Ayan, yun yung ano.
Dad.
Diba nag-ano yung mukha niya, no? Nagbago. Sigaw yung anak niya, eh. Ayan, ulitin natin.
Oh my God. Dad. Dad.
Nag-iba yung mukha niya, no? Di lang natin alam kung ano talaga, kung anong tema talaga nun o anong sistemang ginawa doon, di ba? Kung totoo ba o hindi. Kaya sabi nga natin, lagi kayo na bahala ang maghusga. Ito naman. Ito about poltergeist naman, pero may sanib to. Kaya panoorin na natin.
What about the voices? When did the voices start?
December the 12th.
December the 12th.
Yes.
And how did they start?
Well, one night Mr. Grove was talking about it about 8:30. He said, all we need now is the voices to talk. And that night I went to bed. Can't remember exactly what happened. And
What's that knocking?
yeah, can hear it now. I was doing that yesterday morning, and Peggy was on her own, so she come in to us, because it wasn't her. She come in. We sat together and we heard it, and I counted how many knocks, and there was 14 altogether, and it's doing it again now.
That was 3 knocks just now.
Yes, it goes in 3s and 2s. How we first got contacted, this was when Mr. Rose said, if there's anyone there, knock twice for yes, and if not, one for no.
I wonder if we did that now, whether it would answer. Is anybody there? Is anybody there? Is anybody there? How many voices are there?
Dirty Dick, Andrew Garner, and Stuart Thurton.
Dirty Dick, Andrew Gardner, and Stuart.
Thurton.
Oh, has he ever spelt that for you?
No. Mr. Ghost asked him, but it's like distracted Mr. Ghost last night when he asked. Or some time ago.
And
Sorry.
what do you
Go on.
think these are? Are they people or are they just voices?
Could be spirits, oh, I don't know.
I believe it's a
Ghost
form of
or
a
something.
spirit speaking for us somehow.
Grabe, no?
No. We don't get this at school, these voices are. Because I believe when we're all separate, it's
Sa di pa nakakaalam, itong pangyayaring to is 1977 at yung bata na to is 11 years old. Pangalan niya is Janet.
not so strong.
Just when you come near each other.
Yeah, like here, or our aunts, we were up there together, or in Peggy's next door.
And Janet's, your voice is stronger. isn't it? It seems to be the strongest.
Yeah.
When you hear the voice and it comes out, where does it come from? Here, your throat.
No.
Where do you feel it comes
Back of the
from?
neck. Back of the neck.
And so it must be as if it's somebody else speaking then, when you hear it.
Yeah, behind us.
And do you get the feeling when you hear the voice that there is a person there?
Yes.
And do you get the feeling when you hear the
Rinig
voice that there is a person there?
Yes.
You.
And do they tell you much about themselves?
Not really, no.
They just tend to growl and
Play around and sort of joke and be silly. No.
I wonder, do you think there's anyone there just now?
Yeah, I do.
Who's that?
What?
Who's that, Janet?
Pardon? Stuart Certain.
Stuart Certain, and he's one of the voices.
Yeah.
Why do you think he comes and speaks through you?
To annoy us.
Does he ever say anything nice?
Well. Don't know really.
Shall we
Says-
try and speak to him? No. We'll see if he'll speak to us.
Yeah.
Is anybody there?
No, no.
Who's there?
Doctor Who.
Doctor Who?
Goose Chasers here.
How do you do it, mate?
God, they can cowards.
Don't you ever get a sore throat, Janet?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
You never get pain in the back of the neck or something?
No. Oh, what do you mean? I'm sorry, I'm not with you. What? I feel,
Oh, you with me now? With you?
Sensation in the back of the neck, yeah.
Well, tell us about that.
I don't know how to
No, tell me
explain.
about that. You get it? Do you get it now? It's buzzing in the
When
back of
you
the neck.
talk, yeah.
Do you feel it vibrating as if it was sort of
No, like someone
someone
got
what?
their hand on the back of my neck like that.
Knock.
Ayan, sabi nga dyan, di ba tinanong kung ano yung sa boses niya. Sabi ng isang investigador dyan, kung ikaw daw ang gagawa daw nun sa kumbaga, ang sakit daw sa lalamunan kung ganun gagawin mo. Tapos etong kung sa hindi pa nakakaalam, etong story nito ginaya po sa Conjuring 2. At eto naman kasunod na to, ito yung usapan nila na re-record. Kaya pakinggan natin.
1 for no and 2 for yes. Are you a male spirit? 1 for no and 2 for yes. That's 2. You are a male spirit. Did you used to live in this house? You did. Was it more than 50 years ago? Yes. Did you die in this house? Did you pass on? You did pass on in this house. Now why are you here? Are you unhappy? You're not unhappy. But why are you here? Is it because you want to give us a special message? No. You don't want to give us a special message. Are you having a game with me?
Hindi na to siya, no? Baliin yung actual video na nangyari ng time na yan. Sipin no, 1977, ganyan na, no? Yung ano nila, video nila.
As I asked the question, are you having a game with me? It's through the cardboard box and the pillow right in my face. Well, thank you very much. That was a very good answer.
I'm invisible.
I'm invisible.
You're invisible? Why are you invisible? I'm a G-H-O-S-T.
Because I'm a Ghost. Yes, he had quite a sense of humour. He also used to swear a lot as well.
Sige, takot ako sa iyo. Ayun. Alright, so hinga-hinga tayo ng konti. Medyo nakakatakot yung story nun, pati mga napakinggan natin. So, ito naman, isa sa mga video na kinatakutan ko rin. Last year ko rin to napanood. Kaya inuulit ko ulit.
La posesión de una niña.
Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo. Nombre. Nuestro que estás santificado sea tu nombre. Venga tu voluntad en el cielo. Padre nuestro. Padre nuestro. El que habita al abrigo de la... Padre. El que habita al abrigo de Padre. Santo. Ven.
Dito, bet ako natakot dito kasi ano yung sinasabi niya yung mga sinasabi niya hindi natin alam kung ano kasi sabi nga sa Biblia nga rin may masalitang paulit-ulit na hindi natin alam pala may karga na kumbaga. Kaya sa mga nanonood diyan paalala na sana after nito magdasal po kayo pati maniwala. Kaya katulad sa nag-comment sa akin diyan, maraming salamat. Yung message mo na yun o yung comment mo na ang sarap pakinggan.
La posesión de una niña.
Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo.
Pero itong batang to kawawa rin kasi after a day nga daw nategi rin kasi dehydrate ba o pagutom din. Ayan.
Venga tu voluntad en el cielo.
Wala na, no? Yun talaga sila na
Padre
Ayan nga. Dehydration. Kumbaga, talaga pinahirapan talaga siya ng ng masamang implemento ng mga diablo nga na yan, mga tawag na yan. Kawawa naman. Pati grabe na itsura niya talaga, oh. Talagang nakakatakot na eh. Kumbaga, creepy na talaga. Hindi lang natin alam kung babae ba yun o lalaki. Kasi mababo. Kaya nung pinanood ko dati yan, talagang nakapatay, nakamuted talaga yung kasi natakot ako sa sa sinasabi nito. Baka malay natin may ibang sumpang sinasabi, di ba? Kaya kayo, ingat din kayo. Yo. Oo. Alright, so guys, maraming salamat at sa mga nanood kanina sa recent video na in-upload ko kanina, maraming salamat sa mga nag-like, mga nag-comment, at mga nag-follow at subscribe na rin po. At sa mga nag-comment po, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Dahil sa inyo, marami akong natutunan, natawa. Pero sa iba naman, sana po, wag naman po tayong maganon po. Sabi nga natin, makikita natin ang ugali at pagkatao mo sa sinasabi mo, di ba? Pati lagi yung tatandaan, sabi nga sa Biblia, magmura ka na ng kahit anong mura, huwag lang yung ganong mura. Okay? Pati rinirekta mo sa tao mismo yung salita mo eh. Sa iyo, shout out din sa iyo. Pati sabi nga natin pag yung bata nga doon, hindi daw tinuruan ng magulang, ganun ang mangyayari. Pati lagi natin sasabihin, lagi natin tandaan din na ang anak ay refleksyon ng magulang. Okay? Pero shoutout pa rin sa iyo, di ba? At sa isa rin na nagpapa-shoutout nga pala. Kaya mga guys, watch your word po Maganda po yung iba, nakakatuwa. Okay lang po kahit ano sabihin diyan, okay lang po. Natutuwa po, pero yung ganung salita po magbasa kayo ng Biblia para malaman niyo anong sinasabi niyo, ha? At eto na nga. Isa to. Shout out dito kay Adrian na natuwa ako rito at sigurado sa mga ibang nanood nito natakot din. Yun nga lang sa anong paraan, di ba? Ito.
Pang gawin nyo.
Alam mo,
Sa akin ng
pag
katawan
ginawa
ko.
mo yan, matutuluyan ka sa mental.
Kahit
Alam ko
matuluyan
kung
ako.
may sapi ang tao.
Wala kayong mga pakialam.
Oh, di ba nagkakamali
Dahil
ka
sa
pa?
akin ng katawan na to, wala kayong karapatan.
Ate, ano ba naging problema ng bata? Ano nangyari sa kanya?
Dahil sa salamin, lalakas pa ng lalakas ako. Lalakas ng lalakas ako sa salamin.
Ayun guys, pati ito kay Ramier. Pinapa-shoutout niya yung Locos TV. Ito po siya. Locos TV, shoutout. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At kay Adrian. Shoutout sa inyo. At hanggang doon na lang. At maraming salamat. At sana mag-follow sa mga hindi pa nakapalo. At subscribe kayo sa hindi pa nakasubscribe. Maraming salamat. At hanggang doon na lang. At paalam.